Please, please, you listen to my video. As for you, who is the most famous person in the world? As for me, Barack Obama is the most famous person. He African American learned law and learn learned law in Harvard University, and the per- uh, presidency to two terms co- consecutively. I want to meet him to to discuss discuss the language and want to learn how to teach children. If you meet him, I will ask him how to measure the most um, effective time. If I was given a gift from the Barack Obama, I would suggest that he give me a book uh, written by him. Thank you for listening.